Hi, my name is Mike Sears, and today we're going to set a destination using voice command in the factory default learning mode. And one of the things that you've probably done already is you've played around a little bit with it, and you're becoming familiar. But you've probably listened to the entire command, and you might wonder, is there a way for me to actually do this a little bit faster? Well, later in a different video, we're going to talk about alternate command mode. But for this particular video, we're going to give you some tips on just using it and getting used to it. So let's pan over here to the settings button. One of the things that I want to show you that you can use is how to make the system learn you a little bit better. You hit the settings button, we touch others, we go to voice recognition, and then we're going to touch the user guide. Notice that there's a command in here that's called Let's Practice. This is really a nice command in that it will actually, like it says, it'll analyze your speech. I can turn her up.
The system will provide feedback to improve voice recognition.
Okay,
when you are ready.
We're going to go ahead and we're going to get out of that, but I wanted you to know that that does exist. You may not be having any issues, and many of my customers never have to go in and play with anything. But one important feature too that I want to show you just once, because what will happen is when she is speaking, I'm going to interrupt her, and so you'll hear a beep, and every time you hear a beep, that's me pushing this button. And another button that I'd like to point out is this back button here. This is an important button in that if she might ask for a street address and you give her the house number, real common, or you may give the right house number or the wrong one. She doesn't understand you and you want to say it over again. Again, hit the back button and you can just repeat what you said without having to wait and start all over. Pretty convenient. Okay, let's pan over to the screen. And we are going to use, this is still in the learning mode, but it's going to be a little bit faster. And again, I do encourage you after this video to go ahead and look at the video on alternate command mode. Here we go.
Would you like to access phone?
Navigation.
Navigation. Please say
Address.
Address. What state, please?
Washington.
Washington. Please say the city name or say
Tacoma.
Showing the matching cities. Please say a number from the displayed list. Others.
1.
1. Tacoma. Please say the street name or say
Pacific Highway East.
Showing the matching streets. Please say a number.
1.
1. Pacific Highway East. Say the house number or
4902.
4.
Calculate route.
Calculating route.
All right.
Starting the route that leads to your destination. Continue on the current route.
Got a little bit of truck traffic here, but you get the rough idea. So go ahead and play around with that a little bit. And you notice that I used the back button once, and I pushed the button as soon as I saw and identified whatever the command that was on the list that I wanted to use. Play around with that a little bit, and again, be adventurous, explore it. I also have a video on alternate command mode and how to use it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next video.